Early recovery sucks. Here's what to expect. I know that social media makes it look like that we quit one day and then the next day life is just awesome. Yay! I'm sober my first day. No, it doesn't work like that. Achieving recovery is hard and it's earned. We work for it. It does not come to us. And in your early recovery journey, some days you're going to want to use again. You're going to think about it. You're going to be craving. Your body's hurt. Your brain is foggy. You're pissed off at the world. We despise other people because we look at them and they have what we want. And the only way we know to deal with it is we just say, oh, they're faking it, or they're lying, or they haven't really been sober for 10 years or 20 years or 30 years or whatever. We just can't imagine it. We cannot believe it. There's no way. It makes no sense to the early recovering brain. Well, that's what kind of transformation you're in for. So hold out some hope on that baby. The way we get over these early recovery humps is by following a system, no matter how you feel, a new course of action. Some days you're not going to be able to get out of bed, so don't. Your body obviously is needing rest, and that's the key to early recovery, is respond to what you're needing, what your body is needing, not what you feel like you want. You're going to a place you've never been before, so fight for your recovery like you fought for your addiction. Do you remember how hard it was to stay sick? You need ongoing support and instructions. And if you'll follow a new roadmap that somebody else who's been where we've been is offering you, you will get there too. And I know it's hard to understand. We come from such a nightmare of addiction. We can't imagine how we're ever going to get out of it. Well, you're not going to get out of it. You're going to surrender your way into it. And God will pull you forward. He'll put the right people in front of you. Achieving lasting recovery is not a race to the finish. I think that's one of our biggest expectations in early recovery. We think, well, I haven't used today, so everything's supposed to be awesome. No, it doesn't work like that. You spent years developing and mastering your addiction and all the manipulative behaviors around that. Think about how fascinating your problem-solving ability is. We've been through some stuff, and we've pulled some stuff off. Now, if you're willing to surrender your way into and through the recovery process, all that good stuff is going to come forward. And now your problem-solving skills are going to be used in good ways, healthy ways, productive ways, right? And I know that's hard to believe in early recovery. We just can't imagine it. Well, this guy says this and this guy says that, and there's just no way they've ever been where I've been. Well, keep doing it. Hang in there, because you get it too. Remember, it's not a race to the finish. If you're more interested in this, we're actually developing an online recovery system that will help you establish your recovery foundation. So if you'd like to be a part of that, you can get on our waiting list. Just type in waiting in our comment section and we'll get back with you, because we're going to be rolling this thing out in a couple of weeks. We want to help you. We've been helping people for almost over 20 years. We've been in it. We've been on every side of this deal. We know what the solution looks like. Thanks for watching our videos. At least like and share us. We'll see you again.